Hey guys, me Mac, aka Lego Bob / Mac, and I'm doing cool tips number two. So this one's the little rivers. So right here I have like a little river into your forest. So right here I have all my beads in my little forest. First off, you want to take your 1x1 studs, put it as far in as you can. Oops. Unless if you leave it, you just pop like I did. Just pop that in, pop this in, and put the forest back. Easiest way without wrecking anything. Then you can have like a higher parts and come down lower. So right now I'm basically building the base of the river. You can have like a couple blue spots represent like darker areas in it. Surrounds the area of it. Just cruising through here. So yeah, guys, that's been the second cool tips. So please comment, rate, subscribe. Bye, guys.